Hello, my name is Mr. Duxon and I'll be your instructor for this sixth in a series of beginning reading presentations. The principal purpose of this presentation is to teach the short vowel sound of E. So far, we've learned that there are at least two kinds of sounds. Vowel sounds, which mainly tell us what to do with our vocal cords, and consonant sounds, which mainly tell us in what position to place our lips and tongues. The first sound we learned was a short vowel sound. Short A says ah. Ah is a short vowel sound. The next sound we learned was the sound of consonant T. Consonant T says t. T is a consonant sound. The third sound we learned was the sound of consonant B. Consonant B says b. B is another consonant sound. And the last sound we learned was the sound of consonant N. Consonant N says is another consonant sound. However, today we're going to learn our second vowel sound. But first, let's look at what else we've already learned. You've also begun learning to read sight words, like the word the, which means that you're almost ready to begin reading sentences. And